Thanks so much for buying our course. It really means a lot to us that you've chosen Coastal Drone as your online training platform. What's going to happen next is you're going to receive a site welcome email. There's probably going to be 2 or 3. You're going to receive your receipt for payment. You're going to receive a welcome and login information for learn.coastaldrone.co, and you're going to receive an invitation email to community.coastaldrone.co. They're separate platforms, so you have to set up 2 separate accounts. Once you get logged into the learning platform, you'll see a course that says Start Here. That's the first course you want to take as you're working through either the drone basic certification or the advanced certification. When you're playing our videos, be sure if you need to turn on the closed captioning. The button will be right down below and it will say CC, and there'll be multiple language options. In order to move forward through the course, make sure that you press complete and continue on every lesson that you're working through. If you don't, you won't hit 100% on the course and you won't be able to download your proof of training certificate. Most importantly, our courses are to get you ready for certification. So they help you get ready for the online Transport Canada exam. It is not your drone pilot certificate. This is to help you study for it. So what's the process for getting my pilot certificate? Well, now that you've purchased the course, you're going to go through the online ground school first. It'll say Start Here. There are going to be a bunch of videos to go through. It's going to be roughly 3 hours for the basic and roughly 20 hours for the advanced. Once you've hit complete and continue, as you go through all the courses, you'll have finished the online ground school. Then we recommend you go into the sample test questions course and start working through it. Be sure to take it multiple times. It's a randomized selection of our test bank, so every time you take that, you're going to get different questions. So make sure you don't just do it once and not get full value out of all of our questions that we've written. Once you've done the sample test question bank and you're feeling confident, go online to the Transport Canada Drone Management Portal and take the appropriate exam. So finally, once you've taken either the basic or the advanced online exam, you'll be able to download your basic pilot certificate from the Drone Management Portal. Once you've got that in hand, you're pretty much ready to fly. We then recommend you go through the Standard Operating Procedures Guide and the Site Survey Checklist and build out your day-to-day operations checklist. We've got templates in there to help you work through that. Once you've got that in hand, head on out, get flying. If you're continuing on to get your advanced pilot certificate, now is when you want to build some experience and start thinking about planning for your in-person flight review, which is the final component of certification in order to get your advanced pilot certificate. If you've only bought the basic course, see you later. No, get on the community and show us what you're working on. Show us how you've been flying. We'd love to see it and help grow with you as a drone pilot. We can share photos, videos, we can see other courses that we've got available, and you can communicate with us in our weekly Zoom calls. As you're working through any of the material, if you find yourself getting stuck on anything or if you have questions, be sure to use the chat bot, which we monitor Monday to Friday from 9 to 5 Pacific. You can call us at 604-928-4535 and myself or anyone else on the team will answer. Or you can email us at info@coastaldrone.co. It's important to remember if you use the chatbot to leave your email address so we can get back to you the next time we're online. Also, don't forget about using the community. We meet every week on Wednesdays over Zoom, and we have contests, events, and we're sharing as much as we can so that everyone can collaborate and grow as professional and enthusiast drone pilots across Canada. Thank you so much for choosing Coastal Drone for your online drone training. We've trained over 15,000 students, and we're so happy to have you join that elite group of pilots across Canada. So thanks again, and we hope you enjoy the course.